Trinity Inlet. It's definitely worth a closer look. My name's robpyne, I am the champion of the underdog, and let's have a closer look at Trinity Inlet. So Trinity Inlet is in Yidinji country. Mandingal Bay Yidinji country lies just east across Trinity Inlet. So why is Trinity Inlet so important? The beautiful Trinity Inlet in Cairns is an extensive estuarine home to abundant life and is the spectacular meeting place of rainforested hills, intact mangrove systems, and the marine ecosystems of the Great Barrier Reef. Trinity Inlet is also home to the Port of Cairns and a thriving hub of activity. Trinity Inlet is an important fish habitat and breeding area. It is in very close proximity to the Cairns urban area and is identified of being at risk from impacts of climate change, including sea level rise. Trinity Inlet is aligned with mangroves and mudflats. Within the inlet, a large mud island has been formed and was given the name Admiralty Island. You know, there's only about 25 crocodiles in Trinity Inlet, and most of them are less than 5 metres. So it amazes me when people complain about crocodiles. You've just got to be croc safe in croc country, and also respect the traditional owners of the land, the Gimuy Yidinji people, for all they do to keep alive the link between the environment and culture. Thank you. Enjoy Trinity Inlet.